You got to talk louder for the camera, Joe. You got to talk louder for the camera.
Are you shooting this?
Yep. What were your very first impressions of Kyger Creek?
It's huge. Pipes running everywhere direction, big equipment, loud. Or normal maintenance runs, just keeping the plant up and going. You know, it's changing miscellaneous valves and pipes, and in an outage like we have right now, we're changing out big component stuff, we're changing out catalyst baskets, we're changing out sparger tubes.
Coming out okay? Your other crew should be up here pretty soon. Your other crew's back. And then the 20 yard is the one that's there in the gravel parking lot.
So a lot of that stuff has to be done whenever the units are offline. We have a time frame to get it back in, and we have to put the people, the manpower to it to get everything done in a time frame that meets the plant's needs. Unit 4 coming out Wednesday.
What's your manpower going to be like?
Today I'm at 116 with my higher ends today. It will probably stay really close to that. We'll finish up. We've knocked out a few of the big ticket items. You know, last week we started this outage with 33, 34 people, and today after hiring it'll be up to 116. So it's ramping up with each craft. Have they decided yet if they want to go through and actually replace any sections like what we talked about? I took my very first outage here at Kyger Creek as a laborer, where I spent 14 weeks basically sweeping floors, cleaning up scrap metal. During my breaks, kind of later as I went on, a few of them was teaching me to weld. So I would take my breaks and my lunches and that kind of stuff and just go up and just practice just running straight beads. And then in 2007, I got in for the bullet makers. I actually became project manager in 2018 to present. Basically for me, it's just staying on top of ordering materials, ordering people, budgets to make sure we're hitting on them where we need to be at. I take care of all the safety supplies. I'm making sure we have those to keep everybody running as well. We're not dealing with just one person from the plant. When the units are live, there's as much as sometimes I'll deal with 16 to 18 different people from the plant for different jobs through the day.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll try to have it up here in the morning and bring it over to you. Hey buddy, just calling you back there. Hello? Yep, yeah, they went back, I guess their spot come back available. Freed up 6 in the steam room. It's 7 days a week right now. We'll probably do 4 more weeks of that. So at the end of it, you really got to start watching, make sure guys are taking off when they need to and that kind of stuff. It's 28, 30 days in this place is a long time, 12 hours running the clock and stuff.
The guys that I have here, I've had the majority of those guys for 3, 4, 5 years. Great guys. I always say I put them against any team. Very well to adapt to any situation. You know, those guys come with a ton of experience. I've got guys that has a couple of them 60,000 hours in the trade, so been around for a lot of years. Just, you know, with a team like that, I don't have to worry on it. It takes all the pressure off of you.
Different firehouse over here. Get it? Yep. Where all you been at?
So successful outage for here at Kyger Creek was going to start with safety, been on top. You know, if we bring this many guys in, a huge goal for us is making sure that everybody goes home the same as they showed up. But a successful outage for the plant is to get a large amount of work done in a very short time frame to get the units back and running. We're trying to have an outage on all 5 units. We're going to try to be ready for the summer run. But yeah, it's just demanding season. And our people's made to get it done.